Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the coin monks got you covered. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Baby Dogecoin holds best meme contest giveaway. Thailand to define red lines for crypto in early 2022. A company loses $1.6 million after a Beijing court rules that Bitcoin mining contracts are invalid. As per 17th December 2021, with around 715% surge, anti-lockdown or free tops the meme coin list. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, guys, it is 17th of December. Did you guys watch Spider-Man No Way Home? I did. I'm fast. Anyways, let's move back to our news. So, Baby Dogecoin continues to capture the attention of its community via a giveaway campaign, despite the fact that several use cases are being created. Let's have a look at what's getting cooked. The Baby Dogecoin, one of BSE's popular meme tokens, has completed a meme contest for its thriving community. The community members who came up with the three finest Baby Doge memes shared a total reward pool of $1,000. The first award of $500 in Baby Doge tokens went to the Baby Doge meme with the most Twitter likes, while the second and third winners were picked by the team and received Baby Doge tokens worth $300 and $200 respectively. It's a meme competition. Make your best Baby Doge meme and share it with us. The meme with the most likes by Sunday, December 12th at 11 am EST will win the first prize. Our teams will choose the second and third places. The contest was announced by Baby Dogecoin on Twitter on December 9th. Meme contests like this one are a fun way to keep a project's community involved. This is especially true when the community is waiting for the project team to announce a new milestone. We had hoped to see more originality from the Baby Doge community, but most of the submissions lack the beauty and charm we desire. Umar Mohammed and Hafiz Gibran, both Twitter users, were chosen as the first and second winners respectively, while the third winner has not been tagged by the project as of press time. So moving forward with our next coverage, apparently the authorities of Thailand are suspected to release the limits of cryptocurrencies in early 2022. Cryptocurrencies cannot become a means of payment, Bank of Thailand Governor Sethaput Suthiwarnuput stated. Anyways, for now, let's have a look at the present scenario. Thailand's government is working on a new legal framework for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin to reduce risks and increase investor safety. In a December 14 interview with the Bangkok Post, Governor Sethaput stated the Bank of Thailand will produce a consultation document in January that will set red lines for the crypto business. We want to find the correct balance between encouraging financial innovation and risk management, the person said. The new guidelines will provide enough consumer protections since risks are now underappreciated, according to Sethaput. The central bank is working with the Thai Securities and Exchange Commission and the Finance Ministry to highlight crypto industry specific regulations. Cryptocurrencies cannot become a form of payment. For example, according to Sethaput, despite the fact that municipal governments may recognize digital assets as an investment product, the governor stated that their excessive volatility posed a risk to the financial system. He also stated that authorities will work together to implement appropriate protections for future financial securities. So moving forward with our next segment, after a Beijing court finds that Bitcoin mining contracts are void, a corporation loses $1.6 million. Wait, why am I being anonymous? Let me be specific. Yeah, the plaintiff has lost $1.6 million when the Chaoyang District People's Court in Beijing revoked Bitcoin mining contracts inked in 2019. Let's have a discussion over it. A district court in Beijing has denied monetary compensation in a Bitcoin mining contract dispute against a blockchain firm. The plaintiff's Bitcoin mining contract with the blockchain business was found void by the Chaoyang District People's Court, according to $10 million for the deployment of mining equipment but lost money. According to South China Morning Post, Beijing Firm Marketing Technology signed 3 agreements with Zix blockchain technology in May 2019, paying $10 million, which amounts to $1.6 million, for the deployment of mining equipment in Sichuan's southwestern region, citing Xinhua news agency and CCTV. The Beijing-based plaintiff claimed he only received 18.5 Bitcoin in return for his investment and sought an extra 217.17 BTC in damages. The court, however, denied the petition and ordered the Sichuan Division of the National Development and Reform Commission to investigate any illegal mining in the province. The court also notified the National Development and Reform Commission's Sichuan branch of the decision, suggesting the closure of any remaining mining farms implicated in the case. China held roughly two-thirds of the worldwide mining market before forbidding Bitcoin mining. However, it has lost virtually all of its influence, with the United States assuming the lead. So, wrapping up with our final segment, the meme coins indeed are becoming popular, with today's meme coin having a name which we've been hearing from the last 2 years continuously. It's called anti-lockdown. Well, nice. Its phonetic name is free. Whoa, it surged by 715% today. Let's have a look at it. Today's anti-lockdown price is $0.003731 USD with $526,491 USD in 24-hour trading volume. Our free to USD pricing is updated according to 6 p.m. IST. In the previous 24 hours, anti-lockdown was increased by 619.10%. With a live market cap of available, the current coin market cap ranking is 3513. There is no circulating supply and a maximum supply of 1,000 million free coins. The developers have some interesting claims, one of which is anti-lockdown is a community movement token created to restore our freedom and liberty from COVID lockdowns. So we will now wind up with our assessment for today morning and meet you all in the evening with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.